Java Reserved Words, Understanding the Fundamental Building Blocks of Java. My name is Maska Agatha, and my registration number is 2020/BIT/114/PS. My first keyword is void keyword. It specifies that a method does not have a return value. Then the next word is this keyword. It refers to the current instance in a method or constructor when a reference may be ambiguous. Static keyword. It indicates that a variable or method is connected to the class and being limited to one object. Return keyword returns a value back from the called method. Public keyword, it is an access modifier that indicates that an item can be accessible throughout the package and outside the package. Protected keyword, it's an access modifier indicating that a method or variable may only be accessed in the class it's defined. Private keyword, it indicates that the accessibility level of the variable or method is within the class, that only it's defined. Package keyword specifies the Java package in which the classes declared in a Java source file reside. Then new keyword, used to create a new instance of a class. Int keyword, it is a primitive data type that stores a 32-bit integer value. Import keyword makes one class or all classes in a package visible in the current Java source file. A float keyword, it's a Java primitive type that may store a single precision floating point value. Extends keyword, it indicates that the class being declared is a subclass of the class whose name follows the extends keyword. And a primitive type, which it is the double keyword, it is a primitive type which may store a double precision floating point value. Then default keyword is used to label the default branch in a switch statement. Class keyword is used to define a new Java class, which is the collection of related variables and methods. It is a blueprint for creating objects. While keyword, it specifies a loop that is repeated as a condition is true. Volatile keyword, it is used to indicate a member variable that may be modified asynchronously by more than one thread. Then true keyword represents one of the two legal values for a Boolean variable. Abstract keyword, it modifies a class or a method. It is an abstract class can be extended but not instantiated directly. Used to break keyword, it is used to prematurely exit a for, while, or do loop, or mark the end of a case block in a switch statement. Byte keyword, This is a Java primitive type which stores an integer value in the range -128 to +127. In case keyword, it is used to label each branch in a switch statement. Try keyword is used to enclose blocks of statements that might throw exceptions. Transient keyword. This keyword may be applied top member variables of the class to indicate that the member variable should not be serialized when containing class instance. Throws keyword. This is applied to a method to indicate the method raises particular types of expectations. Then char keyword. This is also a Java primitive type. It is used to store a Unicode character. Continue keyword. It is used to skip to the next iteration of a for, while, or do loop. Do keyword specifies a loop whose condition is checked at the end of each iteration. Else keyword, always used in association with the id keyword. The if keyword. In an if-else statement, it is executed if the if condition is false. Then false keyword. This represents one of the two legal values for a Boolean variable. Final keyword. This may be applied to a method indicating that the method may not be overridden in any subclass. For keyword. The for keyword specifies a loop whose condition is checked before each iteration. If keyword. This indicates conditional execution of a block. Implements keyword, used when providing functionality for all methods declared in the interface. Interface keyword, used to declare a new Java interface, which is a collection of methods. Switch keyword. The switch statement is used to select execution of one of multiple code blocks based on an expression. Super keyword. This refers to the superclass of the class in which the keyword is used. Short keyword. This is a Java primitive type. It may store a 16-bit signed integer. Null keyword. This is a Java reserved word representing no value. Long keyword. This is a Java primitive type. It may store a 64-bit signed integer.